It is not uncommon for each state in the country to have its own set of rules regarding auto insurance. When it comes to the state of Alabama, the state requires you to have auto insurance policy that can cover minimum liability. Understanding and following the rule to this minimum liability coverage will make sure that you will be spared from paying hefty fines by not having one when you drive, which starts from $500 and above. Understanding how Alabama auto insurance works will also make sure that you will not lose your precious driving license, especially if you have to commute daily with your own vehicle. Minimum coverage. As mentioned, it is essential for you to understand the minimum liability coverage in Alabama. According to the law in this particular state, there is minimum $25,000 coverage of bodily injury in the event of a crash for each person. As for the total coverage of bodily injury for each accident, it is about $50,000. Meanwhile, the insurance should be able to cover for $25,000 in the event of a property damage arising from the accident. The above information is just some important Alabama auto insurance rules that you have to understand and adhere. Of course, there is always the likelihood that the figures above may rise, especially if there are lawsuits arising from the auto accident. Keep in mind that the numbers above don't really cover for the damages to your vehicle. In order to be protected from such a thing, you usually have to pay for more premiums and ask the insurance provider. Ways to get discounts. Upon learning the numbers above, it's no reason for you to get discouraged. There are ways that you can do to reduce your insurance cost. It is not that hard to look for affordable Alabama auto insurance, especially if you know where to look. One of the best ways to save on the car insurance cost is to tap into the discounts provided by the insurance provider. More information on how to take advantage of the discounts is explained below. If you are using the service of one insurance provider for multiple coverage, which may range from your health insurance, life insurance, and home insurance, it is possible to ask for multiple coverage discounts. At the end of the day, the company would like to keep you as their customer. If you ask nicely and firmly about the possibility of a discount, since you are a loyal consumer of the company, it will have no choice but to oblige. The key here is to be polite yet firm. The next tip is similar to the above tip on how to score better deals for your Alabama auto insurance. In this case, however, you are asking for multiple car discounts. That's right, if you have several cars being insured to the same insurance provider, it's your chance to get a reduced quote. Use this opportunity to ask for the discount from your insurance provider. There's no harm in asking, right? Maintain good driving records. Having a good driving record will help reduce your Alabama auto insurance cost. This applies to other states in the country as well. If you can maintain this good record for a long time, you can use this as a case to appeal for a lower insurance cost. Since you are not categorized in the high-risk case, there is a good chance that the company will lower your cost. Similarly, if your car has a very low car mileage, you can use it as an excuse to have the insurance company lowered the auto insurance cost. The logic behind this is simple. The lower your low mileage is, the less likely you will get into an accident. So go ahead and take your chances by asking for a discount. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.